Okay, so here is a quick video to show you how to set up conversion tracking with Launch 27 clients. Alright, so the written instructions are inside of Basecamp in the Web Launch Local section under Docs and Training Videos. And you'll see it here, all the instructions. Basically, first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to this page. And it's going to have all the instructions for you right here. So let's go to Google Analytics. So the first thing actually we'll do is we're going to grab this. Basically what Launch 27 does is creates a virtual page view, and we can track in analytics when the page view is seen, and that's the goal, is when it's seen, that means the conversion took place and we need to tell Google Analytics to record it. Alright, so inside of Google Analytics, you're going to go to your client's property and you're going to click down here on the admin, and it's going to pull up this page. You're going to click on goals and you're going to go to new goal. And there's several goals we can track. The ones that I track are the booking completed, which is the one I have now, and also the gift card. So those are the two that I'm going to show you. So on your goal setup, you're going to go to custom, continue, and you're going to name it. We're going to name this booking completed. We're going to choose destination, continue. We're going to change this to begins with, and we're going to paste this URL here. You could also do equals to. I like to use begins with just in case. I kind of like it to capture in case sometimes there's extra parameters at the end here. Not with this particular goal, but just in general, when you're tracking goals, sometimes there's other parameters at the end of the URL, and if you set it to equals to and there are other parameters, it won't track it. So if you put begins with, that will track everything. And okay, so leave value off and leave funnel off, and you're gonna sometimes you can click to verify if they've had any visits to this page in the last 7 days. It'll show up. She actually hasn't, so we're just going to save it. Okay, and that's done. So booking completed is all set up, and let's just check, make sure I didn't do this double. Okay, so this is a different thing here. Actually, this could be tracking it as well. There is a way to use a thank you page. I don't like the thank you page method because I think sometimes to redirect it takes too long. So I'm actually, this one's not even recording anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I would stick to this method here, which I'm showing you. So now we'll do a new goal, and we'll just grab the code off of this page. Down here you can see the other. These are all the goals we can track. So booking by staff, booking created by a customer self-service login, and gift card purchase. So we may as well set all these up because it only takes 2 seconds. But we're not going to pull all these into Adwords. So just copy that name, destination, continue, begins with, grab the URL here, and save. Now we'll go to the next one, which is there's a self-service link that the clients of our clients get that they can use to I guess schedule themselves online. And so this is kind of just as a courtesy to the client is why I'm setting this up here. They might like to track this. We're not going to use this for Google Analytics, but I guess it's a good idea to have. Alright, so it begins with, paste the URL, And you can see the only thing changing here is a small section of the link. Now save it. Okay, that one's done. And then lastly is the gift card purchased. So we're going to go here. We're going to do custom. Name it destination. Grab that code. Make sure you get all the code, all the URL with starting from the slash, or else it won't work. Continue. Begins with. And you don't need to click this or anything else. That's done. Now what we want to do is go to e-commerce settings and make sure that this is on. And you don't need this on, but that's going to actually allow the value of the conversion to get tracked also. So if they check out and pay $250, that's going to show up within the reporting over here on the conversions. It's actually going to show the value. So that's it for that. Now what we need to do is go to the client's Google AdWords account, and I'm on the Tools Conversions page, and then you'll go to Google Analytics, and over here you'll see all the ones that we can import. I'm only going to import this one, booking completed, and gift card purchased, because I don't know how these would even track, so these are irrelevant. Transactions you don't need to import. That's going to cause your goals to report twice, so leave that unchecked for now. That may change in the future, but for now just leave it and click import. We can leave these two to every conversion and import goals. And the value of the conversion is managed in analytics, and we're also going to use the currency provided with the value in analytics. And done. Conversion window 30 days is fine. Category we don't need. Everything else is the same. So click import goals, and that is how you set up Launch 27 tracking and bring it into AdWords. Let me know if you have any questions.